Hey there, it's Jen and I'm excited to show you the new April 2019 hip kits. I have the main kit, the pattern paper add-on, the cardstock kit, and then I also have the embellishment kit to show you. So I'm going to start with the papers, and I did what I did last time, which is I have the pattern paper add-on, so that means I have 2 of each pattern paper. So I just put them all together and did each side of the paper so that you could see them at once. But just so you know, if you just get the main kit, you just get 1 of each of these papers. But I think it's a great idea to get the pattern paper add-on if you like both sides of a lot of these papers, which I do. So I'm excited that I have them. And then I'll show you the cardstock afterwards. So let's start with this paper. This is one of the most gorgeous papers from Paige Evans' new collection with pink paisley called Horizon. It's got this gorgeous rainbow paper radiating out, and the cool thing is it's very Paige style because it has a lot of different patterns, but it's very subtle because there's a bunch of different patterns, but they're all in the same color tone. So it's really a fun paper. And then the back side of that one, I'm just going to set them out here so you can see them all at once. The back side of it has these really cute little delicate flowers. Then we have from Chamel Sparkle City this gorgeous purple paper. It's called Fresh Flowers. Love that. And it's got a little bit of a painterly look to it too, you can see. And then the back of that one is this really cute navy with these this kind of dotted line of purple. And the branding strip has the little purple flowers. Very cute. So I like that there's purple in this one. I'm so glad that we got this paper. This is my favorite paper from the new Horizon collection. This is paper number 24. It's got these gorgeous different painty colors on it. So fun, so pretty. And the back of that one is this bright kind of strawberry red or pink. It's a dark pinky red. And then it's got lighter dots on it that are kind of spotty. And then the branding strip has the same painted pattern. So there are 10 patterns in the main kit. This is paper number 16 from Horizon. This floral paper has an interesting color scheme with the kind of cornflower blue and some salmon with a little bit of orange and lighter pink. Paper number 16. And then the back of it is this really, really cute. I can't tell, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, I kind of can see it in the camera, but it's like a little bit darker in some areas and lighter in others. It's a little bit splotchy. The background has a little texture to it, and then it's got these little lighter blue dots on it. Very cute. I like a pattern like that. I have a hard time using dark patterns for a background, but this one would be a good one to try that with. We have this paper from Sunny Days, and it is called Retreat. It's got these it's like a yellow dot and then a pink dot next to it on one side. And then the other side I really love. Now I don't know, I think that must be a printing error. Yeah, I'll turn it over. There's a little blue dot on this one, but the back side of this has some kind of like painty pink lines on top of like a mustardy background, or vice versa. Whatever. This paper I'm super excited about. This is from It's All Good from Dear Lizzie. It's called Live Simply, and I just love this floral. It'll be a fun one to cut up, and it's in navy. Love it. And then the back of that paper is also great. It's got this kind of like light purple dot on top of a navy background, and the branding strip is really cute too. It's got this kind of like aqua colored pattern on it. Then we have this paper from Pink Paisley, the Horizon collection, paper number 21. That's got all of this like kind of Moroccan tile kind of look to it. And they're blue. And then the back of it is this nice kind of simple blue pattern. If you look at it closely, it's got like a kind of a florally type pattern on the background that's very subtle. Then we have from Chamel Sparkle City. This is Spring in the City. I love this paper, so cute, and it goes really well with the purple paper that is also included in the kit. And then I love the back of this paper. It's glorious. It's like a darker purple dot on top of a lighter purple, and it's got this painty look to it. Really, really cute. And the branding strip has these dots. Love it. Then we are not done yet. We have this cute paper from Crate Paper La La Love called Berry Sweet. It's got all of these strawberries on it, matching that kind of berry pink there. And then the back of it has the cute heart pattern in squares, and some of the hearts are red. Fun, fun. And last but not least, we have this paper from the Horizon collection. This is paper number 4, and it's got a lot of words. These would be great for using for titles. They've got that really cool painted look to all of the words that I think is really fun. And the back of it has this other cool kind of tile looking pattern. So those are the papers. Nice blues, pinks, and kind of reds and purples. It's a very cool set of colors. And then for the if you got the cardstock kit, you're going to get some Basil Smooth. This is Serenity. It's that nice cornflower blue. You get 2 of each sheet. You're going to get a textured Tutu Pink, which is a nice soft pink. You're going to get a purple, which is called Wisteria. And then also some white. Oh, and you're also getting some blue, which is called Jetstream. And then I have some more white. And I'm not sure exactly how many come in the kit, but it's this lovely array of colors that will go great with the patterns in the kit. So very fun. All right, so I am going to move these out of the way. Hopefully you got a good look at all of those fun patterns. Actually, I'll leave them out for a minute and show you some of the things that come with the kit. I'm just going to leave this white cardstock here in case that I need to show you anything that needs some separation from all the pattern. But we are getting some thickers. These are from the Horizon collection. They're the chipboard accent and phrase stickers. So there's some words, some different motifs, very fun colors. I love these little suitcases here. So very fun. So you're getting those. We are getting these tags from Horizon. They are layered tags, so you can see that there's stitching on them and there's stuff popped up. Very fun. We are getting these enamel stickers from Sparkle City, and look at them. They have such great glitter inside the enamel shapes. Love that. And then we're also getting these ephemera from Horizon. And there you can take a good look on the back of all of the different pieces in there. If you want to see these pieces up close, I'll show them at the end of the video. Very fun. And then we have a Hip Kit exclusive, which are these alphabet acetate pieces. And so this is what you get, plenty of each letter and some punctuation and a few hearts as well. I want to open it so I can show you a couple of them. I'm not going to show you all of them, but I'll kind of pull some out onto this piece of white cardstock so you can see how they look. They're so fun and so pretty. Of course they match the kit perfectly. That little E got bent, but that's okay. And they've got these cool designs on them. You can see there. And in the R, there's some floral looking elements on some of them and some stitched looking elements on some of them. They're super cute. I can't wait to use these. So loving those. So that acetate is also included. So that is the main kit and the paper add-ons. So let me show you the embellishment kit as well. Let me just move this out of the way super quickly. I'm just going to move it aside a little bit so I can show you how it will still coordinate with this. So we've got the Dear Lizzy accent and phrase stickers, which are just super fun and lovely. Look at this ice cream cone with the little flowers instead. I just love that. Some balloons and very, very cute icons. There's a little hedgehog, which always makes me happy. And I love whenever we get little word stickers like that. So super cute. So there's that, which is going to bring in some orange tones that you'll find in the other pieces in the kit. There's also these from Dear Lizzy, the layered stickers, which are always pretty and nice. Love the dimension. Very cute. There's also the Horizon embellishments that are the flowers, which I love that Paige does this in her collections, that there's just a bunch of flowers and leaves. And then we're getting this cool embossed die cut sheet from Sunny Days. So you can see when I turn it in the light that it does have that embossing detail, and it kind of looks like a piece of lace. You could cut this up into different pieces and use all the different pieces, or you could use this piece as a whole. I think that would be cool too. I haven't decided what I want to do with it yet, but I like it. And then you also get these really cute charms that are also from Sunny Days. You can see this one says Shine Bright. Then there's a floral, some little peaches, a bird, some flowers, some stripes, some more flowers, and then that one says XOXO. So very, very cute. If you want to see the die cuts, I'll show those to you now, and if not, those are the main kit, the paper add-ons, and the embellishment kit for April 2019. Let's break open these die cut packages really quickly. I will move the letters out of the way and I'll zoom in a little bit for you, and we'll go just on this white background so that you can see them a little bit closer up. So let's take a look at the main embellishments first, and then I'll just quickly show you the flowers. Since they're all flowers, we won't look at all of them, but I'm just going to lay them out here quickly. I love these little painted elements. I think they're super cute. The hearts are so fun. Very, very fun. Cute little butterflies and moths. I love, so these embellishments have a treatment to them. They have like a, it's not a foil, what I want to say. It's like an embossed texture, like clear embossing on top of them. You can see it's shiny. So some of the pieces have that texture to them. I was trying to find, I think this one had it too. Yeah, you can see the texture on that. So that's kind of fun. So that's half of it. Let me show you the other half really quick here. So we've got some like journaling pieces. These are tags. I like that these tags have the bigger holes. I just think it's a fun and different kind of thing. So some more tags, some frames. Of course, this will all match great with all of the things in the main kit. And this comes with the main kit, so that's awesome. Cute little door, little shop. You could create your own little kind of like scene if you wanted to. I think that scenes would be really cute for a card. Like if you were to do something like this and say we should hang out or something like that would be really cute for a card. There we go, loving this. See, here's another little shop. There's a Vespa, you could do that on one of them. Wanderlust, Road to Happiness. Very, very cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to move this aside and let's take a look at the floral embellishments, and these are in the embellishment kit. So there's one section that's just all different leaves. So we have a variety in blues and greens here that you can see. And then we have some that are just the flowers. So here you can see the individual little flowers. Very fun, and you can pair these with the leaves to make your own little bouquets. There's some purple in there. I love the purple. I'm excited to work with purple this month. And then last but not least, we have some that are already in kind of bouquets already. There we go. So these ones already have the work done for you. You could use these as inspiration to put other little clusters together, or just use them because they're easy. But super fun. So those are the kits for this month. I hope that you're excited to use them and to see the design team using these on their projects for the next month or so. We'll see you very soon.